Now, I mentioned before that the operatives for the Maysville Police, I don't say informed because they're doing more than just giving information. They're planning evidence and so on. I mentioned before that they do break into homes, they do plan evidence and commit other crimes there. But this has another possibility, another possible action they can take, could have relevance to a current case in federal court. I was looking at the newspaper today, mentioned Marie Antoinette Castelli, her case where she's accused of making threats online. And she has been arrested by the FBI, and she is trial date has been set. Now, my question about this is, knowing that the local police send people to break into homes, knowing that this device that she used to make these threats, was she actually in the house when it happened? Or in the apartment or wherever? Was she actually there? Or was someone else in there making the threat themselves, setting her up so that she could be arrested? I don't know the answer to this. I don't. If I did, I'd be offering to testify on her behalf, probably. But I don't know that. And here's what can be done. Here's what I'm going to ask some of you to help me out with. Basically, try to spread word as much as possible. I've tried to get a hold of her defense attorney. I haven't heard back. Also, there are groups that advocate for Muslims getting a fair shot in our legal system. You could try to talk to them. Now, I myself am not Muslim. I just don't think it's really, if she was targeted because of her religion and she was framed because of her religion, then that's something that shouldn't stand, no matter whether you're same religion or not. Whether you like her or not, it shouldn't stand. None of it should. So I'm going to try to ask you to help me. I've done what I can do. I'm going to try to do more and reach out to more people to let them know about this. It might not do very much. Like I said, there is Spyro on this phone. I don't know. I know some people are seeing this on YouTube, some on Facebook. Speaking of Facebook, because of friends of friends of friends, I know some of the followers of this, of my page, and Policing for Profit in Mason County, Kentucky, are actually in India. And while that wasn't my target audience for, corruption caused within the local government in Mason County, Kentucky, certainly, I'm sure that India does have a relatively large Muslim population compared to the United States. You would certainly know, I'm certain those of you watching there would know of advocates for Ms. Castelli, or know of someone who might think about looking into that possibility. Because if there's any possibility that I'm right about that, then a great misjustice could be carried out if something isn't done. And I'm going to ask your help, those of you watching this in India. I thank you in advance, those of you who do try to reach out and do try to help Ms. Castelli and try to find out what happened.